Numbered or bulleted lists let you organize your thoughts. To create a numbered list as you write, type 1 and a period. Press the space bar, and Office will recognize your list and start to format it for you. You can also choose numbering. Type the first item in your list and then press Enter, and the next number is added automatically. If you want a bulleted list, choose Bullets and type what you want. Press Enter and another bullet is added. To create an outline or multi-level list, press Tab or use the Increase Indent button. Depending on the app you use, the style of bullet might change, or your number might become a letter. If you already have a list written and want to add bullets or make it numbered, select the list, and then choose Bullets or Numbers. Choosing the down arrow for each gives you other bullet or numbering options. In Word, if your numbered list has breaks in it, type the number you want to continue with, or choose Numbering, and Office will continue the list for you automatically. You can always change the numbering to whatever you want.